Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by opening Waze and confirming permissions so the app can track your route and traffic. Once done, sign in or continue as guest. Sign in saves favorites. Tap the search bar and type your destination, or long press the map to drop a pin when an address is vague. Make sure voice directions are enabled so you can keep your eyes on the road. This reduces distractions and lets Waze update ETA and reroutes in real time as traffic changes. Once your destination is set, review route alternatives and tap the three-dot menu to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries if needed. Add stops for fuel or errands to chain destinations and pick vehicle type for accurate travel time. Check the ETA, distance, and hazard icons along the route so you know expected delays. When you press go, follow Waze turn-by-turn voice and lane guidance. This keeps you in the correct lane before exits and adapts automatically if traffic worsens. When you arrive, tap N to stop navigation and optionally save the route to favorites for reuse. Before finishing, report any hazards or traffic you observe to help other drivers and improve future routing. If Waze loses GPS or shows incorrect position, make sure location is set to high accuracy, toggle GPS off and on, and restart the app. If that fails, reboot the phone. Finally, clear route history or adjust voice and display settings to refine future trips and reduce distractions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.